Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard idli soft. Achieving soft idli starts with the right ingredients and preparation. First, select high-quality rice and urad dal. The soaking time is crucial. Ensure both are soaked adequately. Grinding the batter to the correct consistency is also key for a light and airy texture. Let's dive into the details. Fermentation is where the magic happens, transforming your batter into a fluffy base. Place your batter in a warm spot, ideally around 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows the yeast and bacteria to work effectively, producing gas that makes idli soft. You'll know it's ready when it has visibly risen and has a slightly sour aroma. Remember, patience is a virtue here. Steaming is the final step to achieving that perfect softness. Lightly grease your idli molds to prevent sticking. Pour the batter, filling each mold about 3/4 full. Steam them over medium-high heat for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. Overcooking is a common mistake that leads to hard idlis, so keep an eye on the time. A toothpick inserted should come out clean. For consistently soft idlis, a few extra tips can make a big difference. Using cold water during grinding helps maintain the batter's temperature, which is vital for proper fermentation. Always adjust the water quantity to achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. If you have leftover batter, store it properly to enjoy fresh idlis later. Enjoy your perfectly soft idlis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.